Hi girlies, it's Elise. This is a message I have been thinking about for a while. Something I wish I could tell my 20-year-old self. So if you're in your 20s, just starting out or rebuilding, this is for you too. Dear 20-year-old me, you are full of dreams, full of heart, and trying so hard to do things the right way. But here is what I want you to know now. 1. Do what you want to do. Not what others expect, not what looks safest on paper. You do not need to live anyone else's dream. Say yes to what lights you up. Start the business, make the art, move cities, go wherever the Lord is calling, not where the pressure is pulling or telling you to go. And if it does not work out the way you imagined, it is still okay. You'll grow, you'll rise, you'll pivot. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs. Isaiah 58. Number 2, invest in yourself. Be your own best steward. Take the class, do the workout, cook the healthy meal, rest when you need to. Learn how to manage your time and energy. You are not too young to build character and build confidence. The Lord puts treasure inside of each of us, so we need to treat it like it's worth something. And number 3, protect yourself and be smart. Unfortunately, not everyone in this world has good intentions. So guard your heart and your peace. Ask hard questions. Pay attention to red flags. You can love people without losing yourself. It is not your job to save anyone. And you are not dramatic for trusting your instincts. You are being discerning. So if you're in your 20s right now or feel like you're starting over, hear this from me at 30. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming, and you can do it on your terms, with the Lord leading you each step of the way. If you could go back and talk to your younger self, what would you say? I would love to hear it in the comments below. And if this video spoke to you, please subscribe and send it to someone who is on the life journey with you. We are allowed to grow, we are allowed to change, and we are allowed to protect the good things that the Lord has placed within us. Joy, peace, and love to you always.